How to fix wireless adapter missing in Windows 10. In this video I will show you 3 methods it will fix your problem. First, open Start and type Network Troubleshoot. Open Find and Fix Network Problem.
If that didn't work,
open Device Manager. Click on View and click on Show Hidden Device. Click on Network Adapter and click on Scan for hardware changes. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Again, open Command Prompt. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.